Okay, I get the new deck. It looks like this on the backs, and it's a really cool deck. I can show it. If you're saying stop, get this card. Okay, and I cut the deck 3 times, like this. Then, if you say a number from 1 to 22, say 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this card be your card. Was it your card? Yes. But now you're actually thinking I'm cheating. You say all the cards are 6 of spades, but you're wrong. But I can do so all the cards been 6 of spades, like this. Now all the cards are 6 of spades.